As the final month of the year dawns with its shortened days and lengthened nights, a profound and celestial whisper cuts through the seasonal chill, not as a mere metaphor, but as a tangible spiritual reality, reaching into the very core of the seeking heart with a divine proclamation that this December is not merely a chronological endpoint, but a sacred threshold, a consecrated moment in time where the heavens themselves bend low to pour out a specific, targeted downpour of blessings and long-awaited victories upon the life of the faithful, who has indeed journeyed through a landscape scarred by recent trials, suffocating suffering, and the gnawing anxiety of past months, which now stand in stark contrast to the radiant promise being unveiled today, a promise that heralds the end of sorrow's reign and the gentle, definitive wiping away of every lingering discouragement that has clung like a shadow. The resilience of your faith, a flame that flickered yet never died in the harsh winds of adversity, has been observed from on high, not as a passive light, but as a shining beacon whose intensity has drawn divine admiration and will soon become openly admired by others, transforming past mockery into stunned astonishment and silencing the voices of envy with the undeniable spectacle of your rise, orchestrated not by human hands, but by a power that commands even the most turbulent seas of uncertainty to part, revealing a pathway to a land overflowing with spiritual riches, where you are guided not by abstract principle, but by the palpable, mighty hand of a loving Father. This divine affirmation settles the soul with the eternal truth that you have never been, nor will you ever be, a loser. For a grand and magnificent plan has been unfolding in the unseen realms since before time began, a plan that reserves for you a specific portion of life, strength, and the inherent right to rise, to prosper, and to seize the happiness that is your inheritance, even when, especially when, turbulent waters swirl and the fires of life's tribulations threaten. For the sacred promise stands unshaken. You shall remain unharmed, endowed with a supernatural power to overcome all obstacles, enveloped in blessings so comprehensive they will touch every fractured piece of your existence. The call, therefore, is to a deliberate and conscious collaboration, a giving over of the heart's deepest chambers and a fixing of the gaze upon the eternal Word, which provides the map for the confident walk along the newly cleared path where adversaries scatter and the gates of blessing, now swung wide open, invite a courageous entry into a season where beautiful days are not a hopeful wish, but a guaranteed reality, etching these words not just on the mind, but onto the very tablet of the heart, so they may resonate within the soul each morning, breaking the cruel cycle of waking with despondency and shattering the chains of past bondage forever, thereby allowing vanished curses to make way for a renewed hope that manifests in a shining smile and a demeanor of quiet confidence that commands respect as you step across the threshold into a realm of the miraculous. This impending supernatural shift extends its grace beyond the individual to those held dear, as a table of blessings is prepared in the very presence of past adversaries, signaling a divine exaltation that will unfold before family and friends, and demanding a preparation of the spirit to humbly accept the beautiful gifts that await. A process guarded by a heart mindful of the source of all goodness and nurtured by daily immersion in the strengthening Word, which fills the mind with living promises that act as both shield and sword against deception. For you are watched over with particular intensity in this month, delivered from hidden dangers and equipped to walk with the faith of a courageous warrior, defended by a Father who moves heaven and earth to secure your happiness, and who responds to distress, offers assistance in need, and pledges eternal support to you and your generational line. The required response is one of active faith, sincere obedience, and persistent perseverance, a letting go of tomorrow's worries into hands that are more than capable, For the time given is a sacred trust, not meant for the corrosion of anxiety, but for seeking the divine face daily and preparing the soul for the door to abundance now being opened, which welcomes you to a world where impossibility is dissolved by belief, where small faithfulness is leveraged for great responsibility, and where prayer uttered in genuine faith summons answers adorned with greatness and supernatural wonder, granting a strength that feels both foreign and familiar, enabling you to soar on eagle's wings to heights from which you will witness the new blessings cascading into your life, affirming a love that does not lie and a presence that has always come to your aid, now manifest with specific intent to lift, heal, and restore all that belongs to you in this December of triumph. To internalize this message is to begin each day with a spirit attuned to victory and provision, to listen repeatedly until the truth is etched indelibly upon the soul, and to share this profound joy with loved ones, opening the heart wide to receive and feel the immense comfort of knowing your Heavenly Father is actively engaged in your story, pouring out blessings until tears of joy become the only response. For despair has lost its voice in the presence of the one who listens, protects, assists, heals, delivers, rescues, and prospers those who seek him wholeheartedly and who never forget the miracles held in store, a state of being filled with a peace that surpasses understanding, achieved by attentiveness to the divine whisper and feasting upon the nourishing word, which even now touches your spirit to initiate life-altering changes, saying enough to anger and harmful associations by choosing full immersion in the river of boundless love that speaks with affection, calls with tenderness, and corrects with firmness, all anchored in a sweet, saving love that heals the repentant heart and protects from destruction, while granting daily requests made in faith, awaited every morning with pleasure, for the certainty of your words that no an answer is always forthcoming, attentive and unwavering even in weariness, offering a shoulder for rest and a non-judgmental ear for secrets, establishing a friendship that transcends human failing. The forward march requires a recitation of these words to focus thought on the present moment, for the future is rich with opportunities reserved for those who look ahead with courage, persistence, and perfect timing, and the door to reconciliation swings open on hinges of forgiveness, allowing even those who offended and ridiculed to return with respect, bearing witness to the divine presence that makes you the head and not the tail, a community leader who aids many, a promise to believe and prepare for, with the assurance that nothing shall be lacking, but abundance shall be received, guarded with prudence and multiplied with humility, especially when knees bend in prayers of thanksgiving that are powerful and heard, whose words act as swords destroying despondency, doubt, and every negative stronghold, initiating a spiritual battle where gratitude is the first weapon, and the result is the permanent departure of negative sentiments from a home, now enveloped in a soothing aura of tranquility, defended by angels and founded on the deep truth that you are no product of chance, but a chosen, crafted story, loved before the universe's creation, shaped by storms into a champion whose suffering has forged an unbreakable strength. This divine narrative brings peace and ignites purpose, demanding a letting go of complaints and a turning from the ways of doubters, finding sufficiency and upliftment in the presence of the Trinity alone. For today is a pivot point, a changing of course toward goals believed possible in a supernatural world where dreams take shape now in this season of victories, where your extended hand has the right to be happy and be blessed with courage and honor, lifted up before the humbled, as the very gates and windows of heaven open for your prosperity, pouring forth words that refresh and a spirit that breathes new life, removing burdens forever and offering refuge beneath divine wings when weariness sets in, a refuge motivated by pure, selfless love that desires not your possessions but your growth into a protector of the vulnerable, a wise and prosperous helper of those in need, stepping in faith into a realm where miracles are natural and hands laid on the sick bring healing, freeing you from financial trouble and the slavery of debt, urging confident assistance to the needy with the promise of multiplied blessings, perhaps even through encounters with angels disguised as the poor. All part of a new life where witnessing miracles becomes commonplace and spiritual authority is exercised through daily prayer and sought wisdom, particularly through the Proverbs and Psalms, which nourish and inscribe truth on the heart, encouraging not doctrinal disputes, but a faith demonstrated through trust and genuine compassion for the broken, anchored in the forgiveness that has already broken every curse and vice to offer freedom, wisdom, and supernatural intelligence for the days when loneliness overwhelms. For the past hurts are rendered powerless in a presence that offers freedom, peace, and transformative blessing, growing loyalty and faith with each passing day as you trust in a love that whispers sweet words and insists on communication even when desire falters, knocking on the heart's door to extend peace to a soul dwelling in a home made vigilant by angels, liberated from fear's bondage to achieve the good and uplifting deeds destined in holiness, not for superficial gain, but for miracles even greater than those written, with divine approval granted from the celestial throne, urging you to fear not success, nor be ashamed of victory in this time of deserved triumph, earned through diligent fight and demonstrated faith, a time to enter the sacred presence and receive with bold declaration the blessings soon to be placed in your hands. For courage is born from the knowledge that help is ever present, and trouble is met with divine comfort and provision, even in global uncertainty, as your benevolent provider understands present struggles as part of a greater good, speaking love and offering hope as your refuge and strength.